Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to review the book Dopamine Detox. Now, in this video, I'm going to talk about why I picked this book and my own personal review. I picked this book in 2025 before I started my daily reading habit. I was looking for the book which is easy to read at that time so that I can train my brain to get into daily reading habit. And at that time this book was perfect for me because first this is this thin, and second the title is very interesting and easy for me. Now why so? The reason is, if I would have picked a very hard book or a very thick book, I already don't have the habit of sitting and read daily. My brain will start doing the withdraw from such hard books or thick books. So I wanted to first trick and train my brain to sit daily, enjoy reading, and that's why I picked this book. Now, once I started this book, I actually started enjoying it because this book actually focus on that how one can improve the focus, because in today's time we have social media and distraction everywhere. I was fully aware of what are all the things wrong I am doing, and I knew that how I wanted to do detox, but this book actually helped me by giving the talking aloud about the problems, solution, and also it gives the step-by-step exercises and guide that how I can detox in next 48 hours. If you will ask me, no self-help book will work unless and until we will work. I have read a lot of self-help book, productivity, improvement, organizing, everything. I have read more, I think every content out there about productivity, I have read that. But the bottom line is, unless and until we do not act on any advice, those books are not gonna help. And this is exactly where this book comes, because it gives the exercise what we need to do. And as usual, I was taking note, and there were few things which I actually underlined. So if you will see here, it talks about that if you will see motivational videos, it is not gonna help unless and until you will not do work. So it talks about the truth that we actually know, but sometimes it's good that someone is actually saying it aloud and we can work on it. So yeah, so this book overall very easy read, very quick read. Today I can finish this like less than in a day, to be honest, but at that time I took, I think, a week to finish this. So if you are someone who is looking for a start reading habit, you can start with this. If you are someone who wants to improve the span, who wants to avoid all the distraction and just focus on their goals, then I would say this book is pretty good. Please give it a read. Quick read, very nice book. Okay, so this is about this book, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.